Once again, good morning to all of you. Today is our chemistry classes. Chemistry, chapter 1, chapter name, chemical reactions and equations. Chemical name, chapter name, chemical reactions and equations. Okay. Last classes I discussed on physical and chemical changes, and I also say you how can you identify which are chemical changes and which are physical changes. I also write you all irreversible reactions are chemical reactions. Today I discuss on what is chemical reactions. Today's topic is chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. Firstly, we have defined it. Its definition. What is chemical reaction? It is a process. It is a chemical process. It is a chemical process in which in which one or more chemical substances, one or more chemical substances, one or more chemical substances नहीं हो रहा है one or more chemical substances one and more chemical substances एकदम पतला हो गया बीच का कीजिए ना फिर मोटा हो जाएगा उतना ही react to form one or more different substances, one or more different substances. Okay, one or more different substances. So from definition it is clear that chemical, what is chemical reaction? It is a chemical process in which one or more chemical substances react to form one or more different substances. ठीक है? As for examples, we have right here. For examples, when magnesium ribbon burn in the presence of in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, it forms a white ash. The example कि when magnesium ribbon Bonds in the presence of oxygen, it forms a white S. In symbolic data, it is also represented as, it is magnesium in solid form combined with oxygen in gaseous form. It forms, here a chemical reaction takes place. Chemical reaction takes place, and this is for magnesium oxide. This is the S. It is magnesium S, and its color is white. Its color is white. I hope you understand what is chemical reaction. I give him more examples also. So please take a screenshot of this page. Please take a screenshot of this page. I hope you all taken the screenshot of this page. So I am going in next page. The next example, such as when, next example, when carbon bonds, when carbon bonds in the presence of oxygen, in the presence of oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, it forms carbon dioxide gas. Okay, it is also represented in symbolic data such as, it is carbon atom, it is in solid form, bonds in the presence of oxygen, the gaseous form, a chemical reaction takes place. Chemical reaction takes place and it forms carbon dioxide gas. I also write here the constituent which is written on the left of arrow. Okay, this is known as reactants. You already read about it. This is called reactants and this is called product. The substances which are written in right side, which is called product, and the substances which are written in left side, which is called reactants. Okay, so these are the examples, etc. One more example also I write. Once more example. Example number 3. Example number 3. When calcium oxide combine with water molecule, it forms calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. It is also represented as in symbolic form calcium oxide. solid forms react with water molecule in liquid form. Here a chemical reaction takes place. Chemical reaction takes place and it forms calcium hydroxide. Okay, aqueous. So this is the product and these are some examples of chemical reaction. Okay, I unmute you if you have any types of doubt or problem. Please ask for me. Okay, one by one, not all one times. Okay, students, I unmute you. If you have any problem, then you ask.
सर H2O के बाद क्या लिखा हुआ है?
H2O liquid. It is symbolic letter. It represents L, small l. Okay, it forms.
Sir, after chemical reaction in the third example.
Yes.
Yeah.
सर क्वेश्चन एग्जांपल 2 O2 के बाद क्या लिखा है?
After in example number 3, calcium oxide when react with water molecules, after chemical reaction it forms calcium hydroxide, CaOH all 2. Aqueous, it means that it is in diluted form. Aqueous, it mixed with water. Okay.
सर एग्जांपल 2 बोल रहे हैं, एग्जांपल 2.
Example 2, carbon burns in the presence of oxygen gas. After chemical reaction it converts into carbon dioxide gas. Okay.
सर
Yes.
सर कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड में का O और H2O में का H कहाँ गया?
Here is written OH का all 2. Okay.
Sir, H2O is break down into H plus or OH minus ions.
No. It is a simple reaction. Okay. I detail types of reaction when I teach you types of reaction. Then I detail how they decompose in ions. Okay. But this time you only understand how chemical reaction takes place.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Have any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. I will go in next page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
तो एग्जाम में एग्जांपल आएगा क्या?
Yes. With definition you have write minimum 2 examples. Then you find out maximum marks or full marks. Okay.
सब अच्छा है पूरा ए से लेकर
Okay, students. I am going in next page. Here our new topic starts. How we can identify a chemical reaction takes place. How we can identify. How we can identify a chemical reaction. A chemical reaction takes place. Okay. How we can identify a chemical reaction takes place. Okay. There are some basic ideas through which you identify a chemical reaction taken place or takes place. Okay. Firstly, you observe if any change in their colors, substrate products color and reactants colors have changed, then you say that a chemical reaction takes place. So there are some concept or some ideas through which you identify a chemical reaction takes place. First one, when change in state, when change in state, then we say that it occur a chemical reaction. Okay, when change in a state, then we can say that it occur a chemical reaction. As for example, we can write here. As for example, we can write here when magnesium ribbon in solid form, it burns into oxygen, presence of oxygen. I already gave the example. After chemical reaction, after chemical reaction, it forms magnesium oxide solid ash, and its color is, this ash color is white. This ash color is white. Okay, but the original color of magnesium is brown. Magnesium ribbon, the original color of magnesium ribbon is brown. Its state changes. Its color not state changes. Magnesium, when it is in ribbon form, but it is in ash form. So there solid state is converted into solid state, but here in solid state it is in the form of ribbon, but here it is in the form of ash. So there is a state change. So we can say that a chemical reaction takes place. You also give an example. When H2 gas react with oxygen gas, it forms H2O liquid. So H2 gas and O2 gas, when combined, it forms H2O liquid. So hydrogen, it is in gaseous form, oxygen, it is also in gaseous form, but both are, when react, when combined, it forms H2O, it is in liquid form. So we can say that here a change in state. So this is an example of chemical reaction. Second, you have to observe how it is occurring chemical reaction or not. So there are some ideas through which you can identify. Second, change in color. When change in color, when change in color, as for example, change in color, you see, if you see KMnO4, one means potassium permanganate, which dissolve in water. It forms KMnO4 solution. KMnO4 aqueous solution. It is, when it is in solid form, it is blue in color, but when it is in after mixing with water, its color becomes purple. Okay, so it is an example of, okay, So through which we can identify it is an example of chemical reaction. After chemical reaction, its color changes. Okay. We go in next page. Please take a screenshot of this page. Third point through which you identify when evolution of gas, when evolution of gas, as for example, evolution of gas, when calcium carbonate is heated, it is the symbol of heat. When calcium carbonate is heated, it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. When calcium carbonate is heated, it forms calcium oxide in solid form of CO2 gas. Here it is an evolution of gas, so we can say that it is an example of chemical reaction. Here some examples also. When iron is heated with H2O gas, it means vapor phase, it forms Fe3O4, ferric oxide plus H2 gas. Here evolution of H2O gas. This indicate, this carbon dioxide gas indicate, this hydrogen gas indicate when a chemical reaction takes place. When a chemical reaction takes place, then a gas is evolved. Okay. Here I write some some conditions also. For change in temperature, when change in temperature, as for example, if calcium oxide is mixed with H2O, liquid, you feel when a chemical reaction takes place, calcium hydroxide is formed, and there is so amount of heat is also evolved from here. So the solution's temperature change. Before mixing water, the temperature of calcium oxide is not any. It is in normal form, but after mixing water with calcium oxide, it forms calcium hydroxide, and it evolves so many heat, and due to heat, the temperature of solution increases. Okay. So these are the examples through which you can guess a chemical reaction takes place. Okay. I unmute you. If you have any problem or doubt, then you ask for me. Student, I unmute you.
Sir, last
Sir,
वाले
what
में
does
पता क्या
here L stands for?
what is
change
in precipitate?
Precipitate.
नीचे चल जाता है।
Your voice is not come clear. Precipitate. Precipitate means what you say. Please ask.
Sir, what does here L stands for?
What?
Sir, back page.
बैक पेज
पूरा को पढ़ो
दिस इज योर
पूरा पढ़ो
बैक पेज ओके if you have any problem then you ask this is your back page have any doubt yes
नो सर
Yes, sir. Change in state समझा